Hi everyone, we're on lesson 10.5. And today we're going to learn about line symmetry. The essential question says, how can you check if a shape has line symmetry? So, if you don't know what line symmetry is, we will learn about it. And if you do, start thinking about what it is and see if you are correct. All right, so we're going to go to unlocking the problem. So unlocking the problem says, the question is, one type of symmetry found in geometric shapes is line symmetry. This sign is in the hills above Hollywood, California. Do the letters in the Hollywood sign show line symmetry? So we're looking at each letter and we're going to see if it shows line symmetry. So first of all, we have to know what line symmetry is. Do we know what line symmetry is? So you could have a vertical line, which is a line that goes up and down, a horizontal line, which goes left to right, or a diagonal line, which goes on an angle right here. So these are the different lines that you can have. And what happens is, we'll show you in this first one that we do, because line symmetry can be folded and the same side matches the other side. So let's do this first one and I'll show you what it is. So step 1, they want you to use pattern blocks to make the letter W. So go get some pattern blocks and make the letter W. You can pause it throughout the video and you can do this with the blocks and do exactly what it says. Go get some scrap paper and go get the pattern blocks. Step 2, you'll trace the blocks. So go on the outside and just trace them. Step 3, you'll cut out the tracing. Remember, pause after each one and then you can do what it says. So make sure you're pressing the pause button. Step 4, fold the tracing over the vertical line. Remember, the vertical line was the one that goes up and down. So if you can fold it, and if you see once you fold it, hopefully you cut it really good and traced it really good, that it's exactly the same. So what you had on the right side is the same as what you had on the left side. Now if you folded this way, I would fold it also horizontally too. So fold it in half. It does not match up. And if you fold it diagonally, it doesn't match up either. So there's only one way to fold the W, which is vertically, right up and down. So that would mean it has one line of symmetry. It has a line of symmetry. When I push the little think button, it says the two parts of the folded W match exactly. The fold line is a line of symmetry. So right here, that's the line of symmetry. So does it have symmetry? Yes. It has line symmetry because you can fold it in half and it folds right over and matches right up. But if you fold it any other way, it would not match up. So just right in half. All right, let's do the next one. So does the L, they're just going out of order. If you see though, the Hollywood, we just did the W, and now they're going to do the L. So let's look at the L. So again, activity, does the letter L have line symmetry? So use the pattern blocks or grid paper to make the letter L. Trace the letter L, then cut it out. Pause it and do that, and then keep playing. Here's where I talked about folding it, remember? You can fold it horizontally, diagonally, vertically. just like in the other one, and then you can determine if it has line symmetry. So this one, you made the pattern blocks, you traced them, you cut it out. Now we're going to fold it vertically. No matter where you fold it, because you could also fold it right here vertically, you could fold it here vertically, it will never match up. Then fold it, open it, and fold it horizontally. So when I fold this side to this side, it doesn't match up. This might fold to here, which could match up, but you still have this extra part right here that has no match for it. So that side doesn't work either. So this would be a no. And this would be a no. No matter how you fold it, it doesn't line up. Then open that piece of paper and fold it diagonally. So you can fold it diagonally here, here, right where it shows you, right here. Do the two parts match exactly? Like, you can't have any extra sides or anything. Just like your W matched exactly when you folded it vertically. So the answer for this one is no. So the letter L has or does not have line symmetry. For this one, it's does. Whoa, that's some bad writing. Not. I gotta squeeze a lot in here. Have. Does not have line symmetry. So L doesn't, but this one, the W has. I did not write that in there, but we did talk about that. So let me write that in there. Does have. So this L, both L's would be no, but the W would be yes. Let me pull this out right here. Whoops. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to repeat steps 1 through 6 for the remaining letters in Hollywood. Which letters have line symmetry? That's your first step. Do any of the letters have more than one line of symmetry? And explain. So you need to answer these 2 questions. And I'm not going to do them with you, but you're going to do those on your own. This right here are the steps. So get the pattern blocks. If you're doing this at home and you don't have pattern blocks, you can just trace the L. You can cut it. You need to cut out your tracing, fold it over vertically, then you're going to open it up, fold it horizontally, open it up, and fold it diagonally. All right? If you have any questions, you're going to let me know. And remember, you're still trying to think, how can you check if a shape has line symmetry? We just answered that question when we did it. We folded it vertically, we folded it horizontally, and we folded it diagonally. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Bye, everyone.